Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. It has been a very long time since I've done an unboxing here on my channel, and I'm kind of in the mood to do one. I have a lot of boxes to go through today, and I really just wanted to take the time to like sit down, check out some new makeup, also give you guys the opportunity if you see any makeup that I unboxed that you want me to test out, definitely leave it in the comments below. I also wanted to talk to you guys about a little bit of a merch restock, and I'm very excited, so let's get into it. So here is the new color of the shirt. I really wanted to do a limited edition color, and the reason I picked this one was because Riley and I were very in between what color we wanted to use for our first initial drop. So I thought, why not? Let's just do like another color, you know? Let's just do it. So this is what the back looks like. You guys know it will be the same pricing, and it will be available on shopnicol.com very soon. It will be available Friday the 28th at 9 a.m. Pacific. We also have some other cute items coming up I will show you. So this is the new shirt. My friend Noelle, aka Australia Goods, she made some new items for this restock launch. We have these really cute pouches with a leaf on it, and the leaves are in all different colors. We have a dark purple, we have a light purple, we have a pink, I love this hot pink, we have just a regular green. It's gonna be the same scenario as the beanies and the fanny packs from last time. It's gonna be just given at random with the colors. I'm really excited because you could do a lot of things with this. You could put a J in here if you want, you could put your jewelry in here if you want, you could put some like lipsticks or makeup in here. Like there's really anything you could do with these. Maybe sometime in the future we'll bring back some of the booby beanies and stuff like that, but if you do want to check out those beanies, Noelle has them on her website, which is australiagoods.com. So check out her Twitter, check out her store, and of course we are going to be bringing back our aventurine worry stone and our jade bracelet. I wear my green one all the time. This is also by a friend of mine who is a smaller artist. Her name is Art by Jack Studios. She has the most incredible crystals. Most of my crystals are from her collection and her pieces, but I love these. I wear my green bracelet all the time. I'm always kind of like touching the worry stone, so I'm really excited. Again, the restock will be Friday the 28th at 9 a.m. Pacific on shopnicol.com, and our shirts range from size small to 3XL. Any other questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments below, so let's get into this unboxing now. Before I realized that I wanted to film an unboxing, I actually opened up one box. Since it's open, let's start with that first. We have the new NYX Lingerie lippies. These were like all the rage when I first started. Oh they're all out. Man, they really hooked a bitch up. I love them. We have really great colors, some dark mauves, some browns. I'm a big fan of browns. So here are the swatches, and this is all with like one swipe, not dunking back in, so I'm pretty impressed. Next package we got is from Supergoop. Supergoop actually makes one of my favorite sunscreens. Oh, cool. They sent me a shirt that says wear sunscreen. I'm gonna give this to Riley and his dad. Wear your damn sunscreen. That's really cute. Wear your sunscreen. I wonder if you could buy this from them. We have the Unseen Screen, which is a huge like all-time favorite. It is a SPF 40 and water and sweat resistance for 40 minutes. Oh, they gave me an everyday lotion SPF. Oh, I'm excited about that. Let me tell you, I have not tried their body lotion SPF, so I'm hella excited for that. This is from Glow Recipe. The box got a little, you know, injured in transit. Ooh, a new product alert. We got Glow Recipe Watermelon Hyaluronic Clay. This is a pore tightening mask. Oh, they gave you a little sample of the PHA toner. Damn, this looks so pretty. Glow Recipe has some of the best freaking packaging. I love this stuff. This is the Glow Recipe PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner. I use this specifically when I have any type of blemish or breakout going on. This is a really nice BHA for acne and things like that. Let's continue our unboxing. We got one from Ren Skin Care. Ooh, I love that they always send it in these reusable boxes too. I think it's really cool that they do that. We got a new Ren Skin Care sunscreen. This is a mineral SPF. It's a mattifying sunscreen and it's SPF 30. And they also sent it along with these really, really cute blue light blocking glasses. Okay, let's talk about this, shall we? The Urban Decay X Prince collab. I am so insanely underwhelmed by this collection. Listen, you open it up and it's very pretty inside, very pretty packaging, but I just don't personally feel like these eyeshadow palettes do Prince justice. I don't know, I've seen a lot of controversy about this collection on Twitter. I really don't know how to feel about this because some people were telling me, like, you know, a friend helped. As consumers, right? I think we all were thinking and expecting way brighter colors. Underwhelming, I think, is a great word for it. I don't know. The only thing that really captures my attention from this collab, and I'm gonna be very honest with you, are these eyeliners. They're like very thick liners in general, but even so, like, I'm not like jumping over the moon for them, you know what I'm saying? You know, I even put this on my stories and so many of you were so underwhelmed, and I really do agree. I really do. I think Urban Decay really had an opportunity here to kind of break the stigma that's been around their brand recently. I feel like Urban Decay just isn't what it used to be a few years ago. Oh man, let's go. Patty girl. Oh my gosh, first of all, she sent the most beautiful photos over. The Divine Blush collection. Wow, okay. So it looks like we got a lot of blushes up in here. This packaging is so pretty. Pat really kills it with her packaging, I'll tell you that much. Wow, okay, this collection is stunning. The blushes have like a little embossed flower in it. We also have a new quad, which has like a duochrome of pink to gold and a highlighter and 3 lipsticks, you guys. This is such a pretty collection. Let me tell you, like, Pat McGrath, she does incredible collections. This makes me excited. This makes me genuinely excited. So if you guys want to see like a little review of this, please let me know. Next package is from a brand called Bloom. Have you guys ever heard of them? I feel like sometimes I live under a rock with the newer brands or the brands that like I haven't necessarily heard of. Bloom launches at Ulta Beauty. Let's check them out, May 10th. Okay, so they're in there. Oh, Bloom Whirl Power for Glowy Skin. Okay, so this is skincare, oil for acne prone skin. Yeah, I've never heard of them. So they look like a skincare brand that is now launched in Ulta. After cleansing, dot a quarter size amount onto forehead, cheeks, and chin and nose, smooth gently in a skin. Whirl. Does it have a smell? Oh, it smells like coconuts, like toasted coconut. Keeping with our skincare theme, we have a package from Kate Somerville. Ooh, this is cute. I got a bucket hat with a smiley face on it. Sunscreen! It is the year of f***ing sunscreen and I'm here for it. This is a daily mineral sunscreen. So this is SPF 40. Testing out sunscreens and like skincare and stuff like that in general is a little bit difficult, right? Because it's like something that you have to wear for more than at least like 2 to 3 weeks to know if it's doing anything for your skin. What do we got in here? If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Oh, from Fresh. Please meet our new and improved Rose Face Cream. I love Rose. Their packaging is always so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely test this out, this new Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This is one of my favorite creams that Fresh has in general, so it's cool that they reformulated it with hyaluronic acids now. And of course, their serum. I love this serum. It's an oil infused serum. It's really cool. You'll have to shake it before you use it. Oh my God, there's like some police chase going on right now on my TV screen. You have to shake it before you use it because it does have like a little thin layer of oil that sits at the top, but I love this. All right, what do we got here? Oh, I think this is a NARS box. Usually they send packages in like a matte black box. Yes, it's NARS. It is their new Endless Summer Orgasm Collection. Damn, they really go all out for their orgasm collections. All right, so let's see. We got an orgasm palette. This is called Orgasm on the Beach. This is actually really pretty. Another orgasm blush. I think this is just OG orgasm blush with rose gold packaging. Orgasm cream blush. Hell yeah, bitch. Is this an orgasm lippy? Yup. A nice little orgasm rose gold lippy. And an orgasm air matte blush. This is like velvety. Like if you touch it, it kind of like pushes in the product like a putty vibes. This is a pretty freaking collection. They're big on the orgasms there at NARS, huh? Ooh, Bondi Sands. A little tanning vibes. Oh wow, there's lots of candy in here. We got some new SPF from Bondi Sands. Wow, they released a whole line of SPF. That's awesome. Fragrance free, which is awesome. Suitable for dry and sensitive skin. Very water resistant, it says. So now I got a lot of SPF to try out. I'm excited. I told you guys, this is the year of SPF. All right guys, we're coming down to the wire. This is from Baddie Lashes, aka Beauty Bird. Ooh, a little restock. Awesome. So we got some Gemini lashes from Beauty Bird, some Dream lashes. You guys know I really love supporting all of the artists in my industry, so make sure you check them out. She actually has some really, really, really stunning lashes. And lastly, we have this long ass box. I think I know what this is. I think this is Amreezy's collection. Yeah, with Bellamy. Oh my God, how cute is this? We have the Amreezy X Bellamy. Wow, I love the color pink. So she already got me with that. Oh wow, okay, so we got a curling iron. We have a straightener. We have these really, really, really cute clips. I love a good little hair accessory. Oh, this is her, a little trunk, I think. Oh, you could probably use this as a bag. This is such a pretty collection with Amra and Bellamy. She has a curling iron, a straightener, and some hair accessories. All right, you guys, so that about does it for our little unboxing. You can see Junie's little butt right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know if you want me to do more because I absolutely can do more. I just am not sure like what people are wanting to see on YouTube these days. You know, it's kind of like tough to navigate. So let me know. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.